The Autel Dragonfish is a versatile series of fixed-wing drones designed for various applications, including aerial surveying and search and rescue missions. With a unique tilt-rotor design, the Dragonfish offers simplified operation while maximizing performance and efficiency. These drones are modular and waterproof, equipped with powerful AI tracking capabilities and a range of modular payload options. Depending on the model, the Dragonfish boasts flight times from 75 to 180 minutes and a maximum speed of 108 km per hour, 18.6 miles per hour. Its advanced sensors and AI-driven features ensure reliable performance even in challenging environments, making the Dragonfish a robust and dependable tool for diverse mission requirements. The Hensoldt Setas see-through armor system is an advanced electro-optical observation system designed for armored vehicles, providing 360-degree situational awareness to crew members while they remain safely inside the vehicle. This innovative system features high-resolution visual and thermal cameras capable of detecting threats like snipers and RPGs from over 300 meters away. With its modular and open interface architecture, Setas can be seamlessly integrated with various platforms and onboard systems, enhancing crew safety and operational efficiency by offering real-time, close-area observation and threat identification. This makes Setas a crucial asset for modern armored vehicle operations, ensuring superior situational awareness and threat detection. Turkey's defense giant Sarsılmaz has unveiled the Sarbot armed robot at the Saha Expo 2024 in Istanbul, showcasing a significant step forward in military technology. Sarbot is an advanced robotic system designed for high-risk environments, combining mobility, firepower, and cutting-edge autonomy to excel in reconnaissance, perimeter security, and operations in hostile terrains. This innovative robot leverages locally developed technologies and advanced mechatronic systems, highlighting Turkey's growing independence in defense manufacturing. With Sarbot, Sarsılmaz demonstrates its commitment to enhancing the capabilities of modern military forces and ensuring operational efficiency in challenging conditions. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, is a next-generation stealth strategic bomber designed to deliver both conventional and nuclear munitions with precision. Part of the Long Range Strike Bomber (LRSB) program and named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, the B-21 aims to replace older bombers like the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040, with potential future replacement of the B-52 Stratofortress. With its advanced stealth capabilities, the B-21 is built to penetrate the toughest defenses and ensure America's air power dominance for decades to come, solidifying its role as a cornerstone of modern aerial warfare. MeduzaX is an advanced tactical optical drone detection system designed to counter unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. With fast scanning capabilities that cover 360 degrees in seconds using a unique mirror technique, this man-portable system weighs only 12 kilograms and is easily deployable in a portable bag. Incorporating supreme sensors and edge computing, MeduzaX delivers precise results with minimal false alarms, distinguishing between drones, birds, and other objects. It provides high detection accuracy and situational awareness for ground forces, making it ideal for special forces, convoys, headquarters, VIP protection, counter-espionage, and strategic site security. Leonardo BriteStorm is a cutting-edge low-size, weight and power stand-in jammer payload, perfect for integration onto attritable UAVs and various launched effects. Utilizing advanced digital radio frequency memory technology, BriteStorm provides powerful stand-in jamming capabilities to protect friendly forces against sophisticated air defense systems. It employs a variety of jamming and deception techniques to disrupt enemy radar and communications, ensuring mission success by confusing and suppressing enemy air defenses. With its lightweight and compact design, BriteStorm is highly effective, flexible, and future-proof, making it an indispensable tool for modern electronic warfare operations. The Elbit system's holistic underwater dominance solution ensures comprehensive underwater superiority in blue and littoral waters. Integrating multiple acoustic protection layers, it is monitored and controlled by an advanced naval combat management system. The strategic protection network includes very low-frequency sonars for early warning over tens of kilometers, intermediate-layer tactical protection for threat detection, identification, localization, and neutralization, and an inner layer with tactical capabilities on board the Seagull USV for precise threat detection and interception in littoral waters. This multi-layered approach guarantees robust underwater defense and enhanced situational awareness. The VSR 700, developed by Airbus Helicopters, is a cutting-edge vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle. UAV, engineered for anti-submarine warfare (ASW) missions. This advanced UAV supports naval operations by deploying ASW barriers, positioning sonobuoys, and identifying periscopes using sophisticated radar and electro-optical sensors. With its exceptional endurance, low noise signature, and advanced sensors, the VSR 700 enhances maritime defense capabilities by effectively detecting and deterring submarines. This makes it an invaluable asset for modern naval operations, ensuring superior situational awareness and security in underwater environments. The Anduril Dive-XL is an extra-large autonomous undersea vehicle designed for a wide range of long-range, long-duration missions, including seabed survey, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike operations. With a highly configurable architecture that supports multiple large payloads, this advanced vehicle uses an all-electric powertrain for extended underwater operations without surfacing, enhancing survivability and operational flexibility. Its modular design allows for rapid integration of third-party payloads, ensuring versatility across various mission sets. Dive-XL is setting new standards for maritime autonomy, with recent missions demonstrating its capability to stay submerged for extended periods and cover significant distances, making it a vital asset for modern naval operations. Hypersonic missiles are cutting-edge weapon systems capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, making them incredibly difficult to detect and intercept. These missiles can maneuver mid-flight, evading radar detection and existing defense systems by operating at lower altitudes than traditional ballistic missiles. They can carry either conventional or nuclear warheads, posing a significant threat to global security due to their speed, maneuverability, and ability to strike targets with minimal warning. Leading nations like the United States, Russia, and China are actively developing hypersonic technology, sparking a new arms race and raising concerns about its impact on international stability. The Rheinmetall Keiler Next Generation is an advanced armored breaching vehicle designed to quickly clear minefields and obstacles in combat situations. Built on the Kodiak Armored Engineered Vehicle chassis and part of the Leopard 2 family, it offers high agility with a top speed of 65 km per hour, a climbing capability of 90 centimeters, and the ability to cross trenches over 2.5 meters wide. Equipped with a mine plow, rocket-assisted detonation cord system, and an integrated lane marking system, the Keiler Next Generation ensures efficient clearance of barriers. It also features the ROSI Rapid Obscurance System and the Natter 12.7 remotely controlled weapon station for enhanced self-defense, supporting remote-controlled operation and integration into a digitalized battlefield. The DJI Matrice 4 series, featuring the Matrice 4T and Matrice 4E models, is DJI's new flagship enterprise drone series. These advanced drones are equipped with smart detection AI, laser rangefinder measurement, and enhanced sensing capabilities, ensuring safer and more reliable flight operations. The Matrice 4T is ideal for industries such as emergency response, public safety, and energy management, while the Matrice 4E excels in surveying, mapping, construction, and inspections. With powerful AI and multi-sensor technology, the Matrice 4 series brings intelligence to aerial operations, supporting a wide range of complex tasks and setting new standards for enterprise drones. The Alfred Modular Large Vehicle Disruptor, MLVD, is a cutting-edge tool designed to neutralize vehicle-borne IEDs using patented technology. It projects a high-pressure stream of water to penetrate vehicles and disrupt IEDs without detonation. With its modular design, the MLVD adapts to various scenarios and target sizes, making it versatile for explosive ordnance disposal operations. It can also breach doors and walls, adding to its utility. The MLVD can be swiftly reconfigured and deployed using a remotely operated vehicle for enhanced safety, making it a crucial asset in modern security operations and ensuring high efficiency during high-risk missions. The AH-64 Apache, developed by Boeing for the United States Army and International Defense Forces, is a formidable attack helicopter renowned for its combat effectiveness. Armed with a 30mm chain gun, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, it delivers precise strikes against ground targets. The Apache's advanced sensors for target acquisition and night vision, combined with redundant systems for enhanced survivability, make it an invaluable asset in combat. With a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2, the Apache has proven its adaptability and durability since its service entry in 1986, continuously evolving with technological advancements to meet the demands of modern warfare. The Elbit Systems Trident is a cutting-edge, lightweight, modular target acquisition suite designed for short to medium-range dismounted ISTAR missions. Controlled by a host computer, this man-packed, single-tripod system provides next-generation accuracy, fire support, and intelligence, significantly shortening the sensor-to-shooter loop. With AI-driven technology and an exceptionally wide field of view, Trident caters to the needs of combat forces on the ground and in the air, including special forces, forward teams, and weapon guidance teams. It delivers precise coordinates for target acquisition while remaining passive to avoid detection. Integrated with most battle management systems, Trident enhances situational awareness and operational effectiveness in modern military operations. The Elbit Systems PULS, Precise and Universal Launching System, is an advanced autonomous artillery rocket system designed for precise and flexible firing of various advanced rockets. Capable of firing multiple rocket types from the same position to ranges up to 300 kilometers, it features 2 pods tailored for specific rockets like the Keiler 122mm, 35 km range, Keiler 160mm, 40 km range, Extra, 150 km range, and Predator Hawk, 300 km range. Precise and Universal Launching System can execute firing missions in under a minute and is fully adaptable to existing platforms, significantly reducing maintenance and training costs, making it a highly efficient and versatile solution for modern artillery needs. Barracuda Networks provides comprehensive cybersecurity solutions, including email security, network security, data protection, and cloud services. Known for their AI-powered threat detection and response capabilities, their products protect organizations from cyber threats like ransomware, phishing, and malware. Barracuda's solutions help businesses stay ahead of attackers and secure their digital infrastructure, offering advanced protection that adapts to evolving threats. With a focus on simplicity and reliability, Barracuda ensures businesses can operate safely and efficiently in an increasingly digital world. Bolt and Bolt-M are advanced autonomous air vehicles from Anduril. Bolt is optimized for manpackable intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue missions, while Bolt M, the munition variant, arms ground forces with lethal precision firepower. Both platforms automate flight behaviors to track and strike targets, allowing operators to focus on crucial decisions: where to look, what to follow, how to engage, and when to strike. Featuring autonomous waypoint navigation, target-agnostic object tracking, and customizable standoff distances, Bolt M is highly effective for modern combat scenarios, enhancing operational efficiency and effectiveness. The Aksum Marine Armored Chaser 980 is a rugged and versatile armored boat designed by Aksum Marine Industries LLC for missions such as search and rescue, maritime security, and special operations in both inland and coastal waters. Built with bulletproof glass BR6 protection and full armored construction, the Chaser 980 is unsinkable, featuring a specially designed hull with a sink prevention filter. It offers exceptional stability, high speed, up to 45 knots, and maneuverability even in challenging weather conditions. With customizable features like turrets and gun ports, it provides unparalleled protection and adaptability, making it an indispensable asset for various maritime missions.